In this quick video, I'm just going to do a demo of how we would go about setting a location on a device. In this case, we have a screen with a set of devices on it for a specific device group, device set 1. We've also added a device map view on here. I'm going to go ahead and click on a device that already has a location. In this case, we can see we have the latitude, longitude, as well as a pencil icon. If I click on the pencil icon, it'll allow me to set a new location by just simply clicking on the map. There we've set a new location and our device has been updated. In the case of Android device 005, we don't have a location, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Actually, that one does. So let's go to device 006. In this case, device 006 doesn't have a location, so I can scroll around where I want to place my device. Let's zoom in, and let's actually locate it in the parking lot right by the boat ramp of John Chestnut Park. All I need to do is simply click on the device or the map, and there we go.